stretching across mountains, deserts, and valleys. The Great Wall of China stands as one of the most iconic wonders of the world. This massive wall was built to protect China from northern invaders. But it's more than just a wall, it's a symbol of strength, unity, and history. The story begins over 2,500 years ago. In the 7th century BC, small walls were built by different Chinese states. Later, in 221 BC, Emperor Qin Shi Huang connected many of these walls to form one long barrier. Over time, dynasties like the Han and especially the Ming made the wall stronger and longer. The Ming dynasty built most of the wall we see today, with bricks, stone, and watchtowers. The Great Wall stretches more than 21,000 kilometers. That's over 13,000 miles. It crosses rivers, climbs steep hills, and winds through remote landscapes. In some places, it's wide enough for 5 horses to walk side by side. In others, it's a narrow path hugging the cliffs. Popular sections like Badaling and Muxianye near Beijing attract millions of visitors each year. These areas are well preserved and show the wall's true grandeur. But not all parts have survived. Time, weather, and human activity have damaged many sections. Stones were taken for homes, and erosion wore down the structure. Today, efforts are underway to protect and restore the wall. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and in 2007, it was named one of the new 7 wonders of the world. Some say the Great Wall can be seen from the moon. That's a myth. It's long, yes, but not wide enough to be visible from space with the naked eye. The Great Wall of China is more than just bricks and stone. It's a living monument to human effort, vision, and resilience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories from history's greatest wonders.